December 15, sa Twitter account ko, I am going to post one question after another within 1 hour's gap. The first person to answer the question, okay, he or she with a partner, okay, will be given VIP tickets to the premiere and will walk the red carpet, okay, to represent the Aldab Nation. December 15 at 9 o'clock. Dapat ko bibigyan question. Sorry, it's going to be at 9, 10, and 11 p.m. The 3 questions will be posted. The first to get the right answer will get 2 tickets and will walk the red carpet with me. Okay.
Direct, what's your Twitter account?
My Twitter account is Direct Joe.
I-abangan na yan.